Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's a new video for you all, but before going to the video, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss any further updates from my channel. So let's begin with the new video, and for this video we need some vegetables. The first one I'm using here is a lettuce, so just cut it from here and then start cooking. No cooking, it's not a cooking show. We'll do something interesting with this. We'll paint the upper part of this lettuce base, and then either you can dab it with the brush or like the way I'm gonna do. Now just take a paper and start dabbing, like start pressing it on top of the paper. What you can do is first, if you don't want to just directly put on your final project, just take a rough paper and just try with different colors and different amount of pressure that you want to put out on the paper, or just like this, because this one I just pressed it a little bit and with a little amount of color, so there are different results that you will get with the different pressure that you put on. The next thing is I'm gonna use this leaf for the lettuce, and I'm gonna put some random colors all around the leaf. I'm using some greens, lighter shades of greens, yellow and dark shade of green. So I just want to make a nice background with some different texture on top of it. So that's what I'm doing, because you can see on this leaf there's a nice texture or a pattern. So as you press the whole leaf onto the paper, you'll see it'll appear, it'll look real nice. So just keep pressing the leaf as much as you want and wherever you want to put the pattern. I'll just cover the whole white color or the empty spaces, and I'll keep dabbing it on top of the paper so that till it fill all the spaces. Okay guys, so next thing we're gonna do is we are using this potato to make some stamps of watermelon, and as you can see, this is already looking like a watermelon. We just needed some green color to make an outline and some seeds, and yes, you have the watermelon pattern. So this is so simple and easy to make so many different stamps with it. So you can use different kind of vegetables to make stamps, art stamps. Especially for kids, it's the best art projects you can do with all these vegetables. You can make easy stamps at home as well, and for kids I guess you can make so many different art projects for their school, and they'll have real nice fun with this kind of stamping art techniques. So just go wild with your imagination, and you can make so many different kinds of stamps with this potato only. And I'm using some different colors here, some orange on the outline and some yellow in between, so that when the pattern comes, it looks like it has some nice outline of orange and some yellows in between, so it's looking like a different shading is going on here. And I'm just making this zentangle for my scrapbook. So you can use this different stamping for different kind of projects that you have. Okay guys, that's all for today. So next time I'll come with new videos for you all, some new interesting ways of making art. And tell me something about today's video, you liked it or not. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, do share and comment below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that bell icon. So till then, bye bye, take care you all.